Papa, what's good? Is it a tribute? Yeah. Yeah, my stream is not working on Twitch. It says I'm live on Twitch. You just got off work? Nice. How are you, Papa? Okay. Oh, you can see me. Okay. Am I frozen on your end? You guys can't. Am I twitching out on your You guys can see? No, I don't have my charts on TikTok. On Twitch I do, but you can see the charts but not my, yeah. I'm not sure why is it that OBS is streaming like this where it actually can't. It says that my camera is here, but I just don't know if it's working, if I need to like restart OBS or what. But neither here or there, you don't need to look at me. Magic. Oh shit, man. Doesn't look good for Bitcoin. It's becoming bitter and bitter. Crypto Secret, what's good? My man. You wanna see my beautiful face? Yeah, it's how I feel about the market. It does not look good. I'm gonna be the laughing stock if we drop to 20k. I don't update much. My last update was my sentiment, yeah. It'll be very interesting to see this type of drop. I don't see 20K either. There was a guy that I was looking at his charts and he was showing capitulation to the downside, but 20K sounds outrageous. No man, my long-term forecast shows that we head down here for whatever reason, but go to CVO Crypto YouTube. I do a live every Thursday. Cool, man. I wonder if any of you guys can see that I'm going live on YouTube. I don't know how to like see if I'm live or not. Is it time to pull out? By no means do I say. Am I saying pull out of the market? You can see that I'm live on YouTube? That's crazy. Yeah, it says that we take the low, yeah. Yeah, sometimes you gotta dump the pump. Yep. The Twitch name is Parabolic Signals. How are you guys doing? It's about to get a little bit ugly, yeah. It's the way she goes sometimes. It's Parabolic Signals on Twitch. Yeah, I definitely gonna come to Banff. I'm silly. I don't know what the tickets are looking like for that conference. I should have really scheduled earlier, but yeah, definitely. I have yet to book it though. No, John, it has nothing to do with that. It has nothing to do with that. From what I see in the charts, we are still heading bullish. I do not see that just because we stab down here, that somehow the market is not going to reach my overall targets. It just means that that expansion of time, it just happens to be there. Found you on YouTube, subbed. What does that mean, subbed? Bearish trend in a bull market. Yeah. Yeah, from what I can see, I just gotta turn off my invites here. It means subscribed? Okay, subbed, okay. Oh, the technology words of a dummy for that stuff. A dummy. Okay, let's look at the bigger. Let's give some insight. If you guys are not on Twitch, I could show you a freaking chart. You know, like I can't do this whole thing on TikTok where it shows a chart. You would have to go. But definitely right now, I'm not gonna try and scalp any positions right here because my 128 chart still says that we're gonna hit 41.7. The in 9 days, 44,000 Bitcoin, provided that this turning point is really in. But I gotta tell you, even this chart on the 512 looks nasty. Ninety more days for Ethereum. Twitch is 10 seconds ahead of YouTube. Bull run ends February 2023. Interesting that you say that. I'm gonna look at the higher time frame. So I'll tell you exactly what I see on my higher time frame. I'll tell you the exact cycle date for the 2048. Okay, so
welcome to the mind of Dead Mouse.
Bull run ends. What did you say? Hold on. February 2023. That's exactly what I have. That's exactly what I have. I wish I could show you guys a chart. Well, anyways. Maybe I can show you guys this cycle. Whoops. Hold on. This is my cycle, for the yearly cycle. Hold on. Okay, so obviously the oscillator is wide open. We've got the sine wave coming in. Anyways, these are my... But the cycle ends right here. February. See? Cycle, which enters a new cycle, so... This is this pullback down to 30,000 is definitely an interesting pullback, but for the most part, you know, unless I see some sort of weird move, it's gonna drop here. There's nothing I can do about it. This here is 20,000 Bitcoin. I seriously doubt we're gonna come down here like that, but that is a target nonetheless. It could be that, you see, this is like a, what you would call like a buffer zone. So I believe that we're gonna move up maybe this fan line, and there is this possibility of like this this big kind of death candle here. I try to like warn as many people as I can about this particular situation, because unless this comes up the kill zone and just kind of like pops straight up, it's gonna just probably come up here and then out of nowhere a big drop. So why this has to be in there, I don't know, but yeah, it's not, unfortunately. It's the way the market goes. Shit happens. But my cycle end for the bull market does show February as well. Interesting that you have the same outlook. Pretty gross, but shit happens. I'm gonna probably enter a short, depending if we see the higher time frame at 44,000. It's going to go up because everyone is bearish. Sometimes the market will pump because the shorts fly in. Yeah. Oh boy. Okay, let's look at the. Well, like nothing is moving, period, but we can at least look at some stuff just to see. Oh boy. There's a few things to scalp, but nothing worth really looking at. Sorry guys, I should be paying attention to both chats, but we'll get the pump. I'm not sure about that. Has my data sets and algorithm been wrong? Ever wrong? No. Never been wrong to this date. It'll be interesting to see if we fail and head down to 30,000. It'll be an interesting thing to watch for sure. Are we holding for now? Yes. I don't see a bear market, you guys. I don't see a bear market. Yeah, you know, like the guys that come in and say, you know, like, I thought you were bullish. You know, what's wrong with your forecasts? Magic Internet, a happy Easter to you and your family, brother. And thanks for coming in and saying hi. Wish you guys a happy Easter. You know, you guys, I'm just trying to give you guys some mindset stuff. You know, I don't control the markets. Does that make sense to anybody in the chat? I don't control the markets. You know? Does that make sense in the chat? If I have a new forecast, it's because I have to present it. Are you guys shocked by the fact that I don't control the markets? The best I can do is give you my analysis. And if it says we're gonna drop here, then it says we're gonna drop. For my long-term forecast, for the most part, I'm gonna remain bullish because nothing in my Data sets say that we are going to head into a bear market. Filecoin, yeah. Filecoin, again, it's still sitting sideways. I still expect Filecoin to jump up to the $90 range when it has its Is the mic too loud on is the mic on the Twitch okay? Jason, thank you. You guys can't hear me on the Twitch? All okay? The market's giving you heartburn? You know, patience for this type of thing. Patience for this type of thing matters, you guys. If you're definitely not going to be patient, you will not experience very good green candles. If Bitcoin goes to 29, then XRP 40 cents. Not necessarily. Just let me look at XRP. Okay, I gotta stop drawing these white lines here. Okay, so she's got support at the white line. She's now touching the 55 EMA. Yeah, my long-term forecast still remains $1.23 with a wick up to $1.35 for XRP. I don't think that that's gonna change for now, and then maybe later in the year she could see around $2.40, maybe. That's a big maybe. This time expansion has caused Bitcoin to move slower than I have seen in all back-to-back charting. Yeah.
You're listening to Dead Mouse.
I am sorry that this, that the market is so boring, you guys. This is just the way it is. Where do I see Bitcoin by June? Well, let's just get through the next 3 weeks here. I cannot chart unless I see what this type of downside looks like. If the volume comes in strong at 30,000, then you guys, I'm still bullish. It doesn't mean that I'm bearish by any means. You guys are gonna understand when the market goes green. You will fully understand why is it that I'm not bearish. Not even the slightest, you guys. We're still sitting at 40,000 Bitcoin, 3,000 Ethereum. Can we have like this nightmare candle? Yeah, we can. It's not to say out of the question that we can see a nightmare candle to 20k, but I just not gonna be looking for it too much. Where do you see Bitcoin by June? No, I don't see 27 to 24,000 in Bitcoin at all. Let's just see what happens at 44,000 Bitcoin first. For sure. Pig Slayer brother, I don't control the markets. I'm only showing a forecast to the downside because that's what it's presenting. Doesn't mean that I'm not still bullish. Oh, I'm very bullish on Mana. Yes, instead of XRP, big time. What do I think about cake? To see cake hit $5.50 is an incredible thing, to be honest. We are still sitting above the 55 EMA for cake, well below the 200. It is sloping down, so I will not be buying any cake anytime soon. We'll just see what Bitcoin wants to do here.
Dead Mouse presents.
Is crypto trading 24/7? Yeah. What do you think about CRV? Bro, I didn't look too much into CRV.
.com/deadmouse.
We're gonna find out if my calls, my data were wrong. Crow. Your first target for Crow should Bitcoin dump will be 34 cents. Second target for Crow should Bitcoin dump is 27 cents for Crow. TDM Crypto, thank you for coming to see me. Much appreciate your content. Thank you for the roses. Yeah, Quant's target. I mean, we can take a look at Quant. Whoop. Quant's target again will be the bottom of those wicks. The first would be $92 to ladder in, and then eventually right at the bottom at 80. So yeah. Mana's first target will be if Bitcoin dumps to 20 grand. Mana's first target will be literally $1. If Bitcoin goes to 20 grand, of course. The charts, if you want to see the charts, you can come to Twitch. I show live charts there. Parabolic signals. Ultimate grinding, what's good? Am I selling my spot trades? No. No, I'm not. No, it won't mean that the alts will be worthless. We have a chance to smack 44K and go down, yes. I don't have it set up to take Ethereum, my friend. PayPal if you want. Well, in this case, from what I can tell you guys, like I've never seen my algorithm fail. So everybody in this whole space, when we don't see 20,000, can come back to me and say like, maybe this guy's got something that I've never seen before. But I have to respect my Gann forecast to say that we're gonna head down to at least the bare minimum of the $30,000 range. For now, let's just wait for 44,000 Bitcoin because that's my current forecast on the 512 chart. This has definitely been challenging for me, guys, on the social channels because I don't really give a shit like where Bitcoin goes. I'll long and short the sucker, but you know, like to see a $20,000 Bitcoin would be totally astonishing to me. Brother, just go to the link in my bio. The Discord link should be just in my bio. Stand with me. If it's not, then just private message me or just send me a thing right now. My 32 minute, right now my target is 40,640 for turning point 9. 40,600 for the 32 minute chart. I will be totally astonished if this marker does not hold. But don't be mad at me if suddenly the market goes bullish next week. Parabolic Signals is the name. Is there an entry level that needs to hold before the downward 30K? So the 30K confirmation will happen on basically the higher time frame. So if 44,000 cannot convincingly break here in the next 5 to 10 days, if we can't break 44,000, we're gonna head down. And I'll have to revisit all of my data. But the fact that I get to hang out with you guys tells me that I'm gonna be sniping a little bit harder here. You guys can come trade with me. I'm still buying you guys Theta and Mana all the way down. I don't care if it goes from $1, $2. I don't give a fuck about that stuff. But Windward, you know, like for the most part, my friend Windward, it does not look good. You know, this market looks like it's ready to just peel to the downside, especially on the higher time frame. I think Parabolic is gonna get a slice of humble pie. Parabolic is about to get a slice of humble pie. Glimmer's target will be 1120 for Glimmer. 1120 for Moonbeam. How long do the downside will last? My turning point says that at the beginning of May we turn around to the upside. Link if Bitcoin dumps. I'm not gonna lie, you guys. I am perturbed by this drop. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so Link's first target will be 11 and then $9 for Link. I am still buying these lows, you guys. No, brother, I'll reach out to you. Realty, thank you for the gift, my friend. I will reach out to you, brother. Who made the humble pie comment? Me. I've been saying to you guys that that we're gonna pump here. I still believe that the market will go up, but the timing has been a little bit off. You're gonna long since 40,100? My GAN tells me that in 14 days we're gonna touch 30 grand, so I have to respect that. I cannot just take my data sets from over a year old to say that we can't bust to the downside. I'm just gonna have to live with the fact that I'm gonna have to correlate my data better, which is fine. Bro, I will not technically short the market until I see 44,000 Bitcoin.
Hear the latest Mousetrap releases right now on Spotify, Apple Music, Tidal, iTunes, and Amazon.
Is Zach calling $3 XRP?
This
Well,
is Dead Mouse.
everything is gonna follow Bitcoin should we smack down here pretty bad. So we're gonna see if my analysis since the beginning is going to fail the long-term signals. Whether or not it's gonna fail my long-term signals. So it's okay to be failing at it. Doesn't mean I don't know how to analyze the market or that we can't go to the upside. It's just fucking silly. Full moon, you know what that means. Yeah, I do have a target for 30,000 Bitcoin, unfortunately. It is unfortunate because then I have to do a bunch more work that I don't want to do. Regardless, I mean, if you guys are new to the broadcast, you guys can get in the Discord VIP. No problem. You guys can see exactly where Bitcoin's gonna go. Yes, bro, Jason. This what I see in the chart for 1 and 2 versus 3 and 4 on the longer time frame for me is a little bit at this point hopium. Okay, so like I'm gonna put in the forecast, you guys, for the 30,000 downside, but the deal is that don't be surprised that we have a major market move to the down. And if I can't at this point trust my longer term forecast, I will have to then just remain scalpish at this point. I will short the market if I have to. Ethereum's target on a drop like this, yeah, bare minimum 2300. The second target will be the bottom at like 1700, and if Bitcoin goes to 20,000, Ethereum can literally hit 1400. Just don't see it happening. I don't see that we go down. I see that we have a market pump. So next week is gonna tell everybody who is the real deal, whose analysis is shitty, who can tell whether or not we're gonna head to the upside, whether or not I was wrong or correct this whole time that I said that the market's gonna turn around because this is a market cycle low. We're gonna determine quite a few fucking things here. Parabolic is feeling the heat. Big time. Parabolic is feeling the heat big time. There was only other one forecast I'll show you guys. You guys can look on, let's see if we can grab it. This was the only chart here. Oh, I am live streaming on, I can see my live stream. Let's see if we can go to the videos. Where was that? Oh yeah, this September, if you look at the September video, I'll show you guys here now.
I needed an online store for my jewelry design.
I'll show you guys, you guys can compare the charts if you want. Let me see if this comes in. Just one sec here. Oh boy. I don't know if this drew in properly or what. Hold on. I will show you on YouTube in September that I was saying that this market is gonna pull down. But this is the wrong video, I think. Hold on. I think it was the October video. Yeah. So in October, you guys can see this. There is this forecast that I drew. When they say like I couldn't do it months in advance or whatever, like somebody says this, I did have this whole thing in my data sets that told me that we're gonna have this massive pullback in the market where everybody was saying that we were gonna go to 100K. Yeah, you can hear my CPU fan, yeah. So if you're on Twitch right now, you would be able to see this forecast, but basically this here, this is my YouTube video from October 9th. Everybody was saying that we're gonna basically head up from this direction. And I said that my algorithm shows me that we have this massive drop coming down. If you look at the charts, none of these candles existed because this is what I call a dangerous crocodile market. And that if you look at this target, the way that I drew up this forecast, this was already the beginning of October. This was showing that we were going to pinch up here to around the 65 to 70,000 range with a major pullback. This is what I saw in my analysis. Now, if you look at Bitcoin, obviously it's nothing to brag about. It just tells me that this is a market cycle low. Hold on. So like if I look at this, this is where the call was, right here at the bottom, where I said that the market is going to peel up and then there's going to be this massive drop, and the drop may still be continuing here. The problem is that my data says that this is a market cycle low period and that we're actually going to spike here, that we're not going to drop, that there's none of this dropping business that keeps going here, that we've reached our low and that out of nowhere we're just going to peel up here. So, I mean, technically I really shouldn't, I don't like to give that far in advance, but I think Parabolic is going to get his slice of humble pie. Regardless, if you guys want these projections, it doesn't mean that I cannot give you shorter term forecasts. You can even scalp if you want daily, but you have to be in VIP to do that. We'll see what happens here. We'll see how incorrect I am versus correct. We're gonna find out. If I look at the S&P, it also shows a drop here. I show that there's some form of a drop in the S&P. It could be that this drop in the S&P, whatever I drew up here, shows that we drop, but then there's this continuation move to the upside. So I'm not screaming bear market, that's for sure. Bear markets don't really present themselves this way. It just means that it's a, I don't know, healthy pullback, as you would say. Let's see here. Sorry, the target for mana would be $1.47. Should Bitcoin fall down, the target will be $1.47. Cryptobashki, what's good? Well, yeah, bro. You know, like my energy has been down because you know, I'm on the social channels trying to tell everybody that I like personally I'm not worried. For a lot of people that are looking to buy the lows and sell the highs, definitely they are worried. Me, I'm telling you for without a shadow of a doubt that this market is going to fucking go up. That is not even a question in my mind. Does this market have to stab down to 30,000 before it goes back up again? I cannot tell you that. I'm not a market maker. I'm not a instrument for the, you know, I'm not the market. The only thing that I can do is give my analysis, and I'll tell you guys, you're going to be pissed off if you suddenly see green candles and you're like, "Oh fuck, maybe that Parabolic guy knew what he was talking about." You're going to be pissed off big time. No, I'm buying. You want to be in that live? Yeah. We're going to find out right away here. in the next 5 to 10 days whether or not we're going to have a big drop. Is XRP going to go to $5 after they win the lawsuit? No, I don't see anything over $3 at all for XRP. Nope. It'll be right now, May, June. If we hit 60,000, I'll be out of the market. If we hit 60,000. One thing that I will tell you guys though is that if you, I gotta turn my music back on. If you guys get, if you guys are gonna see some sort of massive market downwards action, I would say that your best bet will be to also get into some Luna. Luna might stab all the way down to $30 if you can buy into Luna. That's almost like a guaranteed money there. But yeah, your first target for mana should Bitcoin drop will be $1.43. But 60,000 Bitcoin in May, June, yeah. Still in my forecast. What are we looking at here? Whoops. Solana? Yeah. Do you want an entry price on Solana? Do you want an entry price on Solana? What's my prediction? You guys, I'm fighting a lot of bullshit right now. My prediction is basically in my last video. You guys gotta be careful. If we cannot convincingly have a green candle in the next 5 to 10 days that breaks above 44,000, we're most likely gonna see 30,000 Bitcoin. It's gonna be a $10,000 drop. Main thing overall that we go up, yes, I do not see a major bear market at all. Guys, we are still at 40,000 Bitcoin and we're still at 3,000 Ethereum. Still bullish. I don't see a big bear market. If you're looking at Solana, it can literally drop to $60. Okay, if Bitcoin heads down and we see a huge downwards movement, Solana can literally hit $60. Hold cash until then? Yes, it's not a good time to trade. On the 512 chart, 44,000 before heading down. So we're just gonna wait for 44,000 to see what happens. Unless it's a straight drop come Monday or Tuesday. The only other thing that you can see is the only other thing that I would look out for is that Monday, Tuesday there is some sort of just drop that they don't even give you time to exit your into liquidity. Do you want to know that Litecoin's entry point? Litecoin's entry would be $84 if Bitcoin drops. Do you use crypto indicator from Crypto Quant? No, never heard of that. Do I trade stocks? No. No. TikTok, what's good, brother? All the VC people are here? Yeah, because they want to know Parabolic's call. They can't help themselves. I get it. It's okay. I'm here to help. Bitboy or CVO? What does that mean? How low can Quant go? It can literally go back to 80 bucks for Quant. I'm still laddering in positions, you guys. Don't come back to me. Don't come back to me when this fucking market goes absolutely green and say, oh fuck, this Parabolic guy, you know, like, yeah, maybe May, June was a shit dump and I should have been laddering in positions because he knew that there was gonna be no big bear market and that suddenly the market's fucking peeled to the upside out of nowhere. You guys should record me while I'm talking like that. Record me and then send that to the fucking frogman. When he realizes how correct I was the whole time. Send that to the frogman. Send that to venture capitalists. Send this fucking target of $2.40 to Zach for his XRP targets. Tell them all that they should have been laddering in this market cycle low. And then when they see the green candles, they'll be like, well, anybody could have said that it's gonna go green. Well, no, I'm telling you convincingly it's gonna go green without even questioning in my mind that it's gonna go green. If you guys think that this is a bear market, just wait. I'm here to show you what a real bear market looks like, and it looks nothing like this. Looks absolutely nothing like this. The bear market will bitch slap you like you can't even believe. I've been through one. I know what a bull and bear market looks like. This is no bull or bear market. I've been saying for the longest time it's a crocodile market and they'll snap their ass at you at any time that they want. So don't be surprised if you see 20,000 Bitcoin, and don't be surprised that you see 80 fucking grand by the end of this year for Bitcoin. Don't be shocked. I'm buying. I'll sell when I see the bear market. Plain and simple. If you're not in VIP to the Discord, then you wouldn't fucking know to ladder into positions because you're listening to every guy tell you that it's a bear market. It's not gonna be no fucking bear market. I 100% guaranteed. For now, let's just wait to see what happens at 44,000 Bitcoin. We're gonna find out if my long-term forecasts are incorrect. We're gonna find out here in the next 10 days whether or not my long-term forecast was incorrect, and that we are not going to head up, that we are actually going to stab back down to 30,000. Nothing I can do about that. Out of 8 out of 10 for the song. Okay, you recommend the song to me. You're exposing yourself for gains? Frankie, thank you for speaking up. Thank you. That's the smart thing to say. You can't win if you're not exposing yourself big time. If Bitcoin goes to 20K, I'm selling my car to buy crypto. John, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Welcome to the fucking Lions Club. Why is Bitcoin moving out of exchange? If you're talking about the on-chain analytics, yeah, there's a lot of people buying Bitcoin right now. I paid for Hold on. I paid for Via, but can't figure out how to get into the meeting. Okay, bro, just make sure that you private message me in Discord. I'm loving Luna right now, yeah. You're only allowed to play Hold on. You're only allowed to play songs about how you feel on the market. Like $1 billion worth of Bitcoin move out every day. Guys, I'm still bullish. I'm still bullish. I'm not gonna sit here and pretend that this is some sort of bear market. Doesn't work like that. Yeah, hold on. Danger zone. I'm still a moon boy for this year, yeah. So my target for Litecoin at the end of this will be 360 with a wick up to 380. That's as much as you get for your Litecoin. Parabolic Signals is the name on the Discord. For you guys that are on Twitch, I cannot see any of the comments if you're live on YouTube or on Facebook, if you guys see that. Which is really shitty because my OBS or my caster should show me a chat, but hold on. See if we can pull up the chat URL. This chat URL is not working. I'm gonna have to get my streaming guy to help me out here. Because I need to see everybody what they're asking. Caster bot doesn't seem to be working. Sorry for y'all that are on the YouTubes and Facebooks. Should you sell your KNC? KNC is still bullish. Hold on. So it's just sitting up here. There's nothing wrong with it. Way above the 200 on the daily. Yeah. There is some compression here, but that doesn't mean that we're gonna head down. Let's just look at the 4 hour. Yeah, no, it still looks really good on the 4 hour as well. If you see any type of movement below the 4 hour on KNC, then yeah, it could be a short now. Kind of like the ZIL move. Russia is, yeah. Gabriel, make sure that you private message me in the Discord. It'll be Parabolic Signals. Just make sure you... Did I say that it's going to 30 grand? No, I just have a chart for it. I'm not saying it's going to go to 30 grand. Am I a trickster? No, we'll just play, what's it called? Batman. This is the ultimate song. What coins do you want to look at, you guys? You got me on Twitch, nice. Yes, you did, nice. I'm definitely not bearish by any means. Play Sopranos theme song, yeah. It's just because of my haircut that I can afford to play that one, brother. Okay, Crow Coin. $0.34 is your entry for Crow Coin, and you ladder in all the way down to 27 cents for Crow. You guys better be buying these lows, I'm telling you right now. Filecoin. I'm in Filecoin. I'm not gonna wait for its pump. I'm in Filecoin, so I'm not gonna expect major downside for Filecoin right now. It smacked its bottom. Like, I don't know how much more bearish it can get for Filecoin. Really, I cannot say. The absolute fucking maximum bear market low is $10 for Filecoin. So, but I don't see that in my charts whatsoever, that we're gonna go down to $10 Filecoin. That's ludicrous. I believe that the market cycle low is in, and that we're gonna start to suddenly see green candles for the next 3 months, even 6 months. Filecoin end of year, it could potentially hit all-time high. Not enough memory to open this page. Fuck, that's the personal chat bot. Anyways, we'll just stream the fucking... Hold on. Should I be stressed out, you guys? About this market? What do you want? What do you want? Tell me, you guys, what you want. You guys don't want to be in the VIP. for a measly $50, back in my days, I would have paid any analyst millions of fucking dollars to be in this kind of market where they tell me, can you please buy? Because the market's gonna go back up. Look, my absolute high for Filecoin will be maximum $166 with a wick. There could be this wick up for Filecoin. Do I see a short-term pullback? Yes, we could potentially see 30,000. But just wait for 44,000 to see what it does. Because I definitely would not be selling these prices. These prices to which you get in Filecoin, Quant, Moonriver, Theta, all of these are low points to be buying in. $21 make it hot. SLP? That's a moon coin. The most I see coming out of SLP is probably 15 cents. Can it make a jump to 26 cents? It can, but I won't look for that. Nobody should be looking at an SLP chart. It's a moon bag. Jasmine, 0.08 cents is all I see for Jasmine. Like, it's still... the other day I was saying it's going to head up, it's going to head down, but I do see temporarily for now 0.08 cents for Jasmine. There's some fucker that made a TikTok about me the other day saying that I only said that Jasmine was going to 2 cents. I never fucking said that. Anyways, it's just analysis anyways, right? Glimmer token. Yeah, again, for Glimmer, the most I see, it's got this ultimate high here of $12. So I will start to take profit between $11 and $12 for Moonbeam. Don't get bearish, you guys. You're gonna get fucking bearish. You're gonna get won't get the green candles, that's for sure. My 2 is in on the 512. Yeah, it is. Yeah, 44,000 is my next target for Bitcoin with a possible mega death candle down to 30 grand. There's nothing else I can say about this chart. Don't be surprised if you see 30,000 Bitcoin. See, even my dog's pissed off that I gotta give legit targets like that. I saw it that guy thinks he's a charting god. Said VC is legit. VC is legit? I've never seen a forecast from him ever. Thanks, Ballman. Yeah, Windward, are you gonna short the market at 44,000? You think maybe sideways 3 on 512 to a 4? Yeah, to 30,000, yeah. Still no face, I know. I have a pretty face. Bro, I'm so sorry. I don't know what's wrong with my stupid OBS. Been shorting for a week? Nice. I don't know why the hell this thing doesn't see my camera. I could try and readjust my camera. Fucking camera. Now it doesn't even want to turn on. Crow Algo? Well, Crow is good. There's nothing wrong with Algo. Oh man, this stupid thing. That's my mic. What is this? That's my light. Fuck, I'm turning into Batman here. Endgame, yeah. Come on, you stupid. Looks like I have to turn off my whole computer. I'm gonna reset the live on Caster here. Let's see if it's my computer. I'm gonna stop streaming on Twitch, you guys. Just give me a sec.